Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm the owner of Beyond Glam Hair and Beauty Studio. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this natural looking hair because it looks like it's growing from my scalp. No, actually guys, this is actually a U-part, and the reason why I created this U-part because some of my customers don't really know how to install closures or lace fronts or basically they just don't like it because they feel like it's not natural because they're used to getting a natural sewing. So obviously at a time like this when the salons are not open, this is literally for the ladies that want to look natural, the ladies that want to have an attachment or a piece of hair in their hair but don't want people to know that they're wearing a wig. So that's why I created this U-part unit. So guys, you want to know how to install it? Then you know what to do. Watch the video to the end, like, subscribe, and comment.
So this is the unit that I'm going to be installing today, and this is what it looks like on the inside with clips. So it has like 3 clips on one side, another 3 clips on the other side, then 1 clip each on each side, and then another clip at the back. So what I'm going to do right now is section where I want to have my part in.
the final look, guys. See how it was so easy to install it. So guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys want to see any other videos from me, please drop a comment and let me know. Okay? See you guys later. Mwah.